In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio volume in Clipchamp. Whether you're working on a new project or revisiting an existing one, getting the audio just right can make a world of difference. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. This can be any browser you prefer: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, you name it. Once it's open, in the search bar, type Clipchamp and press Enter. Clipchamp is a powerful online video editor that's user-friendly and quite intuitive, making it a popular choice for many creators. Now, once the Clipchamp page is in front of you, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't, you'll need to create an account. But don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with the choice to either create a new video project or to open an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and click on the Create a New Video button. If you're revisiting a project, simply find and select it from your list of projects. With your project open, you'll see a timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Locate the video or audio clip you'd like to adjust and click on it to highlight it. This action ensures that Clipchamp knows which specific element you intend to work with. Direct your attention to the right side of the editor, where you'll see a Properties panel. Here, you'll find the Audio tab, which contains all the settings related to your clip's sound. This is your go-to spot for making volume adjustments. To adjust the volume, find the volume slider within the Audio tab. You can click and drag this slider to the right if you want to increase the volume. You can raise it up to 200%, which might be handy in cases where the original audio is too quiet. Be cautious, though, not to push it too high, as overly loud audio can distort the sound quality and affect the listener's experience. Alternatively, if the audio is too loud to begin with, you can drag the slider to the left to decrease it. This can help achieve a better balance between different audio elements in your project, such as background music and dialogue. And there you have it. Adjusting the audio volume in Clipchamp is a simple yet effective way to enhance your video project. Just remember to listen through your adjustments to ensure everything sounds balanced before saving and exporting your final cut. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.